When I'm at the glass house, I just feel at peace, really one with nature. The whole vibe is so chill. It's just such a really cool experience. Welcome to my tiny house. Hi, I'm Sherry, and we're in the beautiful hill country between Hondo and Tarpley, Texas, located at our ranch, and we're standing in front of the glass house. The glass house interior is 17 by 15 for a total of 255 square feet. I really wanted to create something that felt like you were outside. You don't have the curtains, you can roll up the front, just be at one with nature and feel really just relaxed. I like to describe the style of this space as hill country eclectic with a bit of a modern touch. Hi, welcome to the glass house. Come on in. We designed this bed specifically to be rolled out underneath the stars. It's really a wonderful experience. Camping does not compare. This is luxury. This focal wall, this is actually flooring. I thought it was really interesting. I love this table and chose it because it gives sort of a rustic industrial vibe, and I like the fact that you can crank it up and I just pop these in to kind of tie it all together. This is the tiny kitchen. We also built the countertop and all the shelving. We have our mini fridge, which has a little freezer, toaster oven, microwave, and a hot plate. So a lot of people don't know there's a hidden compartment in here. Here it is. This is where we keep all the pots, pans. We can have condiments, whatever you can think of, we can store it here. So it's less cluttered because it is a tiny space, and I think it turned out really nice. The glass house took from concept to creation about 4 to 6 months. The cost to build a glass house was about $45 to $55,000, and that was because we did some of the work ourselves. A lot of that was infrastructure cost. Some of the lessons we've learned personally from building is that it is not always best use of time and or resources to do it yourself. We personally did a lot, had a lot of sweat equity, and in retrospect, I'm thinking it would have been a lot easier just to have paid to get it done. But we got it done, and I had bigger muscles for it. So this is the bathroom here at the glass house. I wanted to point out the vanity top, which was a piece of raw wood that we happened to see somewhere between here and Fredericksburg. And I just loved the grain, I loved the texture. I really wanted that raw edge. And so we sanded and stained. It was longer than this, so we cut it. And this is what we used to hold our towels. And that became the vanity top. I love the way that it turned out. We also did the piping and the shelving here. The vanity bowl, I just really liked the copper color of it, and it seemed to lend itself to this space. We started out with an incinerator toilet that basically takes waste, burns it to ash. About 1.5 years ago, we decided to go full-on plumbing. We have the glass enclosed shower. Here in the shower, I had chosen a much larger tile, which would have looked phenomenal, but the person that I had installing the shower tile told me that it was too heavy. But I came up with this and I really love it. I think it's a ceramic tile, but it really gives off a kind of a travertine vibe. I happen to have this left over from a previous job, and I just loved its copper element. But more importantly, it is on a tankless water heater, so you will never run out of hot water. And lastly, if you're wondering where some of the items are, let me show you. It's another secret compartment, which is where we keep shampoos, blow dryers, the things you might need. So I want to show you the covered patio area, and this is where we have 2 loungers and the propane fire pit with the glass. I think it just gives it a special kind of touch. So it's a fun place to sit, listen to the birds, watch the animals, and you get an awesome east morning view. It's phenomenal. Just a really restful place right here. So I just wanted to show you the outside showers. It's a fun little area to just come out and be in nature. We have cedar planks here to hold all the faucet, the plumbing. You're also surrounded by the tin, so it doesn't feel like you're fully exposed. We have block valves here and then you just turn and both of you can have unlimited hot water. Fun experience. If you've never showered outside, I highly recommend it. When I'm at the glass house, I just feel at peace. I feel really one with nature. The whole vibe is so chill. Waking up in the morning to having antelope just jump right in front of your bed. Longhorns will go right up to the fence and let you pet them. Just such a really cool experience to be outside and have the animals come and visit you. So that concludes the tour of the glass house, and we'll see you later. Thanks, y'all.